Today we're going to take a look at proving triangles congruent to each other, and rather we have a statement saying that they are congruent. We're going to find all the missing parts to everything that says that they are congruent to each other. So given two triangles, we have some information that's labeled that's important, some of it that's not important. But here's the key thing right here, this congruency statement. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEC. So what that means is angle A and angle D, A and D are the same angle. Angle B and angle E are the same. And similarly, when we're talking about sides, if we're saying AB, that's the same as DE. AB and DE are the same. So we can use all this information to help set things up. Now, let's talk about finding X and Y. Let's start with X. When you're given two lines, they cross each other, two straight lines, opposite each other are called vertical angles, and we know that those angles are going to be the same. So I know automatically X has a degree of 53, has a measurement of 53 degrees. Cool, throw it in, let's move on. Let's look at figure out Y. We know that BC here is 9, BC. What matches up with BC? EC. EC has a value of 2y minus 1. There's your statement, there's your equation, set it up, let's get y alone. So 9 equals 2y minus 1. Inverse operations to get that y alone. Divide. And we find out that y is 5. Okay, we know X, we know Y. Now let's go back and figure out all the missing angles, missing sides, and all that stuff. So let's take this, plug it in up here, and figure those out. So we know that 13 times 5 is going to give us 65. So we know measure of angle B is 65. Let's do that again. Put 5 right there with A. We can say the measure of angle A is 14 times 5 minus 8 will give us 70 minus 8, which is 72. 72? No, 70 minus 8 is 62. And what about these angles down here? Well, A is the same as angle D. So angle D also has to be 62. Angle E is the same as B. Angle B is 65, so we know that's 65. You know all those. If I were to take that 5, plug it back in here, 2 times 5 is 10, 10 minus 1 is 9. You got that. 8.1 is ED. That's the same as AB. That's 8.1. And then we don't know that missing third side, AC or CD. So who cares? We have no information, and that's totally okay. And that's using or proving congruent triangles.